Welcome students. Today I'll be teaching you how to install Tux Paint. Yes, Tux Paint on your mobile. So just follow step by step. So first of all, I'll be opening Chrome browser. You can use any browser on your mobile, but I'll be opening Chrome browser. Now in search bar on the top, here you have to type Tux Paint as it's shown on the screen. TuxPaint.org. So just click upon that. Now this is the basic interface which you will see on the screen. And this app is very beautiful app, especially for the kids, because it's free. So there are different options available: Windows, Android, for Apple, but we have to click upon Android. Although the students who are having Windows, they can click upon Windows option. And those who have Apple, they can click upon Apple option. So I have already marked this option. You can click upon this if you are using your mobile. So these are the options. For Windows users, you have to click upon Windows. For Android users, you have to click upon Android. 5.0 Lollipop or more versions can easily download from here, and it will work perfectly on their mobiles. So you could see here two setups: Tux Paint APK file, and at the bottom you will also find the setup for stamps. We have to download both the setups. Although I'll be giving you the link of both the setups under my tutorial. In description you can find both the setups. I'll give the link and you can even download from there. So like this, it will start downloading itself and you have to click upon download. So by default it will go in your download folder. You have to just ignore this message. So by default it comes if you are downloading anything directly from website, but it works perfectly. So it started downloading. Now clicking upon Tux Paint stamps. Stamps are very important because while using Tux Paint app, you may need stamps like birds, stamp of the birds, animals. Many useful stamps are available. So again it will take little time and it will start downloading. The same way you have to click upon download. Again, if you find any problem, you can click upon download links which you will find under my tutorial in description. Again you have to click upon OK here and then just wait. It is showing the details. Even you can click upon details to see the progress of your download. Now after this you have to click upon your file manager, like it's shown in the screen, my files. You have to click upon this. Then you have to go to download section, and here by default you will find both the setups. One setup to install Tux Paint and another setup is to install the stamps. So now I'll be clicking upon the setup to install the TuxPaint. So this kind of screen comes in front of you. You have to click upon install and then you have to wait for few minutes. It depends upon the speed of your mobile, and here the option comes to open. So you have to give all the permissions which the app will ask. So simply click upon allow. So you could see it started opening. So you could see it's working properly. Although screen is not proper, icons are very small, so that also we can adjust very easily. So that I'll be telling you afterwards how to make the icons little bigger, because already the mobile screen is too small, and if the icons are small, it's too difficult to handle. So I'll close this so that I can install the stems also. Now to install the stems. Click on install. Open. You have to click upon allow and then click upon the install on the top. It will take little time. Now you have to find the icons because both the setups are installed. So I'll find both the icons and you could see these three new icons: TuxPaint, TuxPaint configuration and TuxPaint stems. You can click upon TuxPaint configuration to change the settings of the icons of TuxPaint. So here you could see different options, and from here you can change the settings, like where it is written 48. You will click upon this option and then I'll change the numbers from here. 96. You can set according to your choice, but according to my mobile 96 is okay, and then I'll click upon save and quit. Now I'll open TuxPaint and you could observe that it's working perfect. Icons are bigger now, so I can easily handle now all the options. So I hope my tutorial is very much clear. Now stems are also working in perfect manner. So by following this method, you can easily install TuxPaint. Bye bye.